Hello, this is Furley from Furley Art. Just wanted to show you a new collection I've been doing of birds. I've been letting them dictate my life, and they've been coming to me and telling me things about how wonderful life is and how beautiful things can be if you just change your perspective. Look at it different, they say. Enjoy the birds. Embrace the birds. Please paint more of us, they say. So that's what I've been doing, just painting a bunch of birds. Please enjoy. I got about 5 or 6 of them done. Doing a lot more. Thank you so much, and you have a pleasant day. From Furley Art, remember, we love you.